In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default currency in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm that you have access to the account settings, since this change is usually managed from the administrative side of the account. From the dashboard, click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. This will open the area where Stripe keeps your account configuration and payment-related preferences. Inside Settings, go to Business Settings. This section contains important controls related to how your business accepts, manages, and settles payments. Next, click on Bank Accounts and Currencies. This is the section where you can review the currencies connected to your account, including the ones used for settlements. If you're not familiar with the term settlement currency, it simply refers to the currency Stripe uses when sending funds to your bank account. So choosing the correct default here is important for accurate payouts and financial reporting. Once you're in the right section, locate your settlement currencies. You should see a list of available currencies, and one of them will already be marked as default. This label tells you which currency Stripe is currently using as the primary one. Now, find the currency you want to use instead. Next to that currency, click the three-dot More menu. This menu gives you additional actions for that specific currency. From there, select Make Default or Set as Default, depending on the wording shown in your account. Stripe's interface can vary slightly, so don't worry if the option looks a little different, as long as it clearly indicates that you're changing the default currency. After selecting the new default option, carefully review the changes before moving on. This is a good moment to double-check that you picked the correct currency, especially if your business works with multiple currencies. In some cases, Stripe may ask you to click Save to apply the change, so if you see that prompt, go ahead and save it. Finally, confirm that the currency you selected is now labeled Default. That label is the clearest sign that the update was successful and that your account is now set to use the new default settlement currency. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default currency in Stripe. Thanks for watching.